Today we're going to be making the diamond play button for my friend Dank or Noah. Template for the play button. Then once I'm done cutting out the template, I will trace it onto cardboard and then cut it out of cardboard. One's not enough. How about 3? For the play button has multiple angles and curves, and it goes up and down, and it has a lot of triangles in it. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting out the shapes on the template and then tracing it on the cardboard so that I can put it on the actual cardboard play button. Of the play button, and I am trying to figure out which one is like higher and lower, like, because I'm only cutting out some of the triangles and not all of them, because it goes up and down. They slope up and some slope down, so I am just putting some pieces on and others aren't, because like the lower part there will be no pieces, but the higher parts there will be pieces, and it will just kind of look like the play button. So I found that to be the best method to doing it, because every other method I thought of, it would seem to be hard. So that's just the easiest thing I think I could find or think of. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's what you're seeing me do right now. And make sure when you're putting the pieces on there, you trace out, so when you're tying the glue the pieces onto the play button, you know exactly where to put them, because for a few of them I didn't draw out where the piece would be, and I kind of forgot where it would be. So that was my fault, but I figured it out in the end, and so I just recommend you just trace out each piece before you put them on, and then just do what you think is best. If you don't want to trace it out, that's all you, but I recommend tracing it out. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm just cutting out the rest of the pieces. And cutting all the pieces, you glue them on. And then after done gluing on all the pieces, I am painting the play button with silver acrylic paint. I am just adding a little more paint to it. And I did this off camera, but I took a blow dryer and I sped up the drying process, and it really works when you take for acrylic paint. Then after this, I will blow dry it, and then it'll dry super fast. It takes a few minutes, and then now I'm about to paint the backside, and I'll do the same exact thing for the backside. I'll paint it, and then I'll blow dry it, as you see me do here. But again, I didn't film me blow drying it, so yeah. But I recommend blow drying when you're done painting, so speed it up. But if you just want to wait for it to dry, then that's perfectly fine. But I didn't have a lot of time, so I just glue dry it, and then so yeah. So now I got the front finished, the back, and now I'm gonna add some like lettering. I'm gonna print that out, and then I will leave that in the description so you guys can change that. And so yeah, so I am going to just basically Mod Podge the rest of this after that, and then I'm going to glue in the gem, which I made from hot glue, which I made this mold. I didn't record it, but it is very time consuming, and yeah, I just recorded this. So I didn't record it, so yeah. But this is the finished like gem thing. So it's gonna go. It sits right in here. So yeah. So you're gonna see me add all this stuff in next. And then for this is gonna be the outer part of it. I'm gonna wrap in some gray duct tape because it's the same color as this right here, because it kind of blends in with this. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do next, and you'll see me do that. The side pieces for the play button in gray duct tape. And gray duct tape kind of like matches the silver color because it's not entirely gray, it's like a silverish gray. So yeah, that's what I'm using for the sides because it's just a lot easier to tape it than paint it. Now I am done with the side pieces and taping them. Now I glued them on, and now I am gluing the gem that I made that you saw previously. And this is like basically the finishing touches, and then I just got glue on the back side. So, but that's like the coolest part of the play button, and I'm really happy at how the gem thing came out. So then you'll see me do the rest of the play button. Right here you see me Mod Podging the actual piece of paper that I printed out and created that says like Dank surpassing 50 subscribers, and it has the date and everything like that, and it really looks legit. So right here I am just Mod Podging the back of the actual paper, and then I'm gonna put it onto the back of the play button, and then I'll just smooth it out so then the whole thing will be on the back. So then it'll just have a back like it. You can actually read it like the actual one. So then right here I'm just taking a card, and then I'm dragging it along the side so I'll get all the bubbles out from under the piece of paper. So right now you see me taping on the back side of the play button, and I'll just be finishing and putting everything on, and then it should be done after I'm done putting the back side on, and I will be giving it to my friend Noah or Dank Army. Before I give it to my friend Noah, I just gotta say that the people that you'll see is my friend Noah, Dank Army, and the one you also see is my friend Caleb, and he was a hater in this video. I'll let Noah take it away.
Hold on. Is that better?
Whoa, what's up? Welcome to MTV Cribs. That's the only interesting thing in this room. This is where I record and shit. But
you wanna open it up?
Alright, so I was gonna make a video, but I'm clearly not prepared, so 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, what is this? Do you know what? Congratulations, Dank Army, for. I'm surprised Susan Wojcicki knows my name. You just did something few YouTube creators accomplish. Yeah, that's for sure. You obtained an astonishing 50 subscribers. Thank you for being such a good creator. I would say I'm cringy, but okay. Also, thank you for being such a good friend. I am so happy that you hit 50 subscribers. Thanks, Devin. I was watching your subscriber count every day, just waiting for you to hit this milestone. When I realized that you were close to 50, I asked my grandpa to subscribe to your channel. Alright, so he liked my content, because I know your grandfather liked my content, but he never subscribed, which is... I was thrilled to help you get your 50th subscriber. You are one of my best friends, and you are one of the best people I've ever met. Sorry, Caleb, you're clearly not his best friend. You deserve this so much because you work so hard and you always try to make people laugh. I wouldn't say I worked that hard, but I'm so proud of you because you tried YouTube 3 times and it finally took off. That shows you never gave up. Okay. I'll never forget when you stood up to John and you had my back. I don't know, I said a lot of dumb crap. You were about to kick his butt, and I have never had a friend that steps up for a friend like you did. I can't think of anyone else more deserving, so I hope you like this gift. And P.S. Can you review this on your channel?
Like, actually,
but if you don't want to, you don't have to. Congratulations again from Devin Golson. Oh, give me a hug, bud. Yeah, this guy's legit.
So you can open it if you want.
Alright, so what else is here? Ooh, that's pretty spicy. Ooh. There you go. A little on the back. May 21st, Dank Army. Congratulations for surpassing 50 subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, it's the 21st.
Look on the other side.
That is the 19th.
And then look at this, dude. That's pretty sick. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna have to take this plaque off.
That one doesn't.
This is cooler.
Yeah, that one doesn't have a hole on it for the back yet. So
you can make it.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
Yeah, we're just gonna put this up like right here.
Okay.
And then we'll have the plaque like now. No, we're gonna have to figure it out. But thank you, Devin.
You're welcome. I'm happy you liked it.
Now I gotta make a plaque for Devin. Come on.
What do you think?
We gotta make a plaque for Devin.
What do you think?
Hold on. Let me see.
We're making a plaque for Devin.
What is this? Is this rubber?
Wait.
It's hot glue.
Wait. Where's my pencil?
Anyway,
we're gonna make a.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh wait, hold on.
And that was the review from Caleb.
Yeah. I'm gonna actually draw something for you. This is just a meme, but I'll actually draw something for you.
We got Patrick.
Alright.
We got Bob Ross. Bob Ross. Happy trees.
Alright, wait, you got 30 subscribers, so 5, 20. His
I need
20.
to use these, brother.
Wait, what did they say? Hold up.
I need to borrow these.
Caleb, why?
Because I only have like. Because I only have that many. I need the rest of them in.
Board.
Oh yeah. Noah's Visco girl has got a scrunchie.
Yeah, guys. No, I actually got a girlfriend. You know that? I actually got a girlfriend. No, I'm just kidding.
Who is it? Your
Don't say mom, cause that's kind of.
I was gonna say your stuffed animals, cause that would be a horrible relationship.
You know I'm recording, guys. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so don't say some dumb crap.
I'm not. I'm just telling the truth.
For passing. Yeah, I got freaking Rick and Morty.
You got Roblox. You got Pokemon.
I got all the crap.
Patrick. What you looking at, Devin? What is this? He's got his Wii. Wait, who's?
Alright, I got it.
Is this your phone? So.
Cardboard props.
So now I gotta review.
Yeah, he's got pretty tiny.
Alright, so since you gave me. Well, that's gonna be it for NTV Cribs, guys. Thank you so much to Cardboard Props, aka Devin, for giving me for making me a. Where's Caleb gone? Caleb is just dead.
Okay, he's gone. Okay.
Caleb, what are you gonna do? Do a sick trick! Sick trick! That's not cool. Anyway, thank you so much to Devin for making me this plaque. I appreciate it so much. He's made me 2 very cool plaques. So make sure you subscribe to Devin. Merch is coming soon. Wait, don't you have merch?
Coming soon.
Merch coming soon after this whole coronavirus thing.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, I don't know how long this is gonna last. But that's gonna be it. Make sure you subscribe to my boy Devin. And subscribe to me. Because I want to get to 69 subscribers.
69? Oh.
Well, he's actually out of prison, actually. Like,
Well, I don't
this
care.
whole coronavirus thing. His music's not even that good.
Honestly, though.
But yeah, that's gonna be it. Subscribe. Merch is coming soon.
Trash.
So go buy that merch. And subscribe to Cardboard
You
Pops.
see that?
He's an amazing guy.
That
And I'm gonna
is
see you guys
garbage.
next
Like
time.
Devin's channel.
Bye.
As Noah said, thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like these videos, and also go follow me on my Instagram. It's in the top left corner, and I'll see you next time. Bye.